How to Run Deepseek V3 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about DeepSeek V3 and how you're going to be running it for yourself in 2025. So it's quite simple. Okay, there's no rocket science behind it. All you're going to need to do is come over to DeepSeek, and right here where it says Deep Think R1, it's going to be turned off. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it on, and that is it. You have turned DeepSeek V3 on. And now what you can do is simply go ahead and start your messaging. Okay, you can ask it anything. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and ask it how to write a code for Pac-Man in, well, let's go with Python. Okay, so you're going to ask it that. And obviously, the DeepThink R1, which is basically DeepSeek V3, is going to go ahead and give you all of these integrations. And there we go. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you can use DeepSeek V3 in 2025. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.